Hey guys, I'm back today, and this time gonna do another cold start video for y'all. And this time what I'm doing is gotta go up to the farm again and put out a roll of hay for the cows. And so today I'm doing a little bit of a different cold start, but it's one that I promised y'all and said I would do. And what I'm gonna be doing today, as you can see right there, probably if you can see it or not, gonna be cold starting the Powerstroke. Good old 2005 Ford 350. Got the 6.0 Powerstroke in it. And so I'm gonna do a cold start for y'all. And the truck hasn't been started in probably about 3 days maybe. And so don't really know what it's gonna do, but then again, you know, the temperatures have been down into like the 20s and teens each night. And so I'm just gonna see what's gonna happen with it. And I'm gonna do the outside view for y'all, just so we can see what kind of smoke it blows, you know, since I think one of y'all commented about my tractor video and said y'all would like to see it blowing smoke or something like that. So this time you'll see it with the truck doing it, if it does blow any. So I'll just leave the camera out here and we'll just find out together. And so I don't really know what's gonna be a good angle, so let me see here. Can I set you right there? Did you see it? No, you got a post in your way right there, like this. Let's see. Oh, that's not bad. Can you see it? Oh yeah, you can see it all right. So, like I said, the truck hasn't been started in about 3 days, and so with it getting down in the teens and 20s each night, you know, don't really know what it's gonna do, and so it's just gonna be a guessing game for us. And so the truck has glow plugs, but does not have a block heater on it, so it's not plugged up or anything. So we'll just find out what happens. So here we go. Alright, there's your little smoke blowing action for you. And so I'm going to just drive it to the farm, you know, instead of driving mine, because actually I've got a welding project on the back of mine right now. And so went and picked it up after school this afternoon. So that's probably going to be a video tomorrow or another time this weekend. But yeah, there you go. That's a cold start of the truck. And the truck is bone stock for right now. So you know, we would love to straight pipe it, but you know, that's probably not going to happen anytime soon, you know, just because of other stuff. But you know, so I'm sorry if the camera angle is not very good. I'm trying to feed the video this using the frontward facing camera on my iPhone right here. But that's my cold start for y'all. And so I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna go off and feed the cows now. So there goes high idle kicking in already. So we got turbos pulling up now. And listen to it right here. yeah, she sounds good, even though it's still stock. But you know, I love the sound of a 6.0. But anyway, like I'm saying, that's gonna be it for now. So if you like this video, you can comment, rate, and subscribe for more. And that should conclude this video. And so I will see y'all in my next video.